how to hard reset the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra using the hardware keys. So first, what you want to do is to power off the device. So swipe down, then tap on the power button, then tap on power off, then tap on power off, and this will switch off the phone. Once it is turned off, you want to plug in the USB cable to the phone and to a computer or to a power adapter. Make sure it has a power source. Then we go ahead and press on both keys, the power button plus the volume up key. Press on both keys at the same time. So let's do it now. Simultaneously press on both keys. Once you see the Android recovery menu appear, we can let go of the button. Now if you see this, that means you are pressing the buttons wrong or the timing is wrong. So we can try to do it again. Make sure both of them must be pressed at the same time. So press and hold on both keys. Now continue to hold. Continue to hold. Okay, once you see the Android recovery menu, we press on the volume down key, and then you see it's a wipe data factory reset. Press and release on the power button, and then press on the volume down key. Then press on the power button to select factory data reset. And that's it. Now press on the power button again to reboot system now. And that's it. We're done. We have successfully hard reset the device, the Galaxy S26, using the hardware buttons. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.